Protein is critical to wound healing. Protein, as we all know, helps build muscle and skin. And therefore, if your loved one has a pressure ulcer, it's very important that they're receiving a good amount of protein either through the food that they eat, the liquids that they drink, or through supplements. This is a necessary component to any type of wound healing regimen, protein. And that is your Pressure Ulcer Fact